Welcome to Cassie's Healthy Kitchen. We are on a mission to stay healthy, to keep a good weight, and to get back our health if we have lost it or is losing it. I don't know if you have ever heard that we all have cancer cells in our bodies. Yes, but it takes something to activate them. And in the world we're living today, the foods that we eat, no good. They are activating the cancer cells in our bodies, and so more people are being diagnosed with this man-eating disease, and it's killing younger people. Today, I'll be making a cancer-fighting juice. These ingredients are straight from God. He made us. He made plants for our meat, the Bible said, and He knows best. Stick with me. We will stay healthy together. We will get back our health together, or lose weight if that's what we want to do. Starting this journey, well, I've always thought I ate healthy because I'm big on fruits and vegetables, but I was still eating a lot of rice and a lot of chicken, so I stopped all of that in November of last year, October, November. And before that, I'm 48 years old. And before that, when I stoop down to take something out of the cupboard or just stoop down, I'm thinking about my knees because of the pain I'd be feeling when I'm starting to get back up on my feet. All of that pain disappeared from I stopped eating cooked food 100%. Most of my meals are fruits. 80% of my meal is fruits, and the rest is vegetables and a little bit of cooked food, and all the pain, all that inflammation is gone. I can do squats now without even thinking about my knees. So let's eat right and live longer. Let's get juicing. So here I have my ingredients: 4 heads of green cabbages, 3/4 of pineapple, have some blended up here, 1/4. I have 3 large green bell peppers, 4 green apples, 4 large cucumbers. These are not organic, so I peeled some of the skins off because I don't want all of the thing that's on it in my juice. And the skin is the part where the most of the medicine is in, so you need the skin. We don't normally have everything in Jamaica. They have the organic. Everything is organic. You go to the market and you get the fresh stuff from the people that plant them in the country. And so there they have different things to deal with. There's always something to contend with in life. So here in America we have the wax and the cucumber to contend with. Okay, that's that. 2 lemons, and I like to leave a little rind on my lemons. I put these straight in the juicer. About 4 inches of ginger root. And here is some watermelon rind. Instead of using water to blend my parsley, I will put these through the juicer, get the water from it, and use it to blend the parsley. Here I have 4 bunches. It's really 3 bunches of parsley and 1 cilantro. So I'll cut these up and get back to you. I went ahead and blended up parsley with the rind from our watermelon. Supposed to get fiber in your juices. fruits and vegetables were meant to eat in their natural forms, but we find easier ways to get this done. Think about eating this cabbage. 4 cabbages. It would take a while. It would take a while to get all of that in your system. But maybe I'll get 8 cups of juice from the 4 cabbages. I'll let you know. I could easily drink 32 ounces in a day or more. This is pineapple and cilantro and parsley. Now if you do not like the smell of cilantro or the taste of it, don't put it in your juice, because your juice will taste like medicine. Here I have more pineapple with cucumbers to get my fiber. When I first started making cabbage juice, it hurt my gut. I had really bad tummy aches, and it was different from regular tummy pains. And so I started putting fruits in it, and I'm fine. As long as you mix it with fruits, you'll be good. Pineapple or whatever fruits you have. Some health benefits of cabbage. Cabbage is good for inflammation, prevents acne, removes toxins from the blood and cleans the blood, fights cancer. Study shows that mice which were at high risk for cancer were protected from cancer after being fed cabbages. The indole 3-carbinol along with sulforaphane in cabbages stops the growth of cancer cells in the body. Benefits of green bell pepper. Boosts immune system, improves bad cholesterol, protects the colon, anti-inflammatory, cancer fighting. Benefits of cucumber. Flushes the kidneys, good for diabetes, good for weight loss, fights cancer. The cucurbitacins in cucumber inhibits cancer cell growth. Benefits of ginger. Helps with nausea, sore muscles, joint and menstrual pain. May lower cholesterol, fights infections, fights cancer. Health benefits of parsley. Rich in antioxidants, improves heart health, protects the kidneys, boosts immunity, helps with diabetes, fights cancer. Study shows that the apigenin in parsley reduces inflammation and calms stress cells which may become cancerous. I'm using the juice that I made already. This is a cabbage juice to blend. Since I dumped everything into one, I'm using the rest of juice to blend these because I do not want any water. I just have about a cup of water in all of this juice, and I don't want any more in it. I'm all done with making our natural juice, cancer fighting juice, and here's our taste test. That's good. I barely taste the cilantro. It's not overbearing. So I hope you'll make this juice and keep cancer at bay. You don't have to have it. We have the cells in our bodies. And when you eat healthy, you keep those cells calm. So here's to health, long life, and happiness. It's time consuming. It took me about 2.5 hours or 3 hours. And if I'm to count preparation, it's 3.5 hours to make the juice. But it is better to do this now than to wait until we're sick When you're sick, you cannot do anything for yourself. So take care of yourself while you're healthy or while you're slowly getting sick. If you're laid up in a bed somewhere, you have some time but nothing to do with it. So use your time now to take care of yourself. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and you will get more healthy videos. I have much more to come. God bless you.